Hello, my name is Eric. I'm outreach coordinator for GreenThumb. And today what we're going to do is talk about hooking up your hose to the fire hydrant. Now we're all automatically going to assume that you have set up your hydrant permit through your outreach coordinator. So what you're going to need is a really quick check. Make sure that you've got your 5-inch cap locked and in place. If your hydrant doesn't have a 5-inch cap, this video is over. Thank you for coming. Goodbye now. For those of you that do have that cap in place, we can go into step 2. We got the 5-inch. Now we're looking for the 3-inch. Now what you need to do is pull off the 3-inch cap, which is right over here. Sometimes there's finger tight. Sometimes you'll need a wrench to loosen this thing. So we're going to loosen this cap. Okay, and don't lose that cap. That's going to be valuable. This is a 3-inch to garden hose adapter right here. And this is the adapter that you're going to need to make this happen. You tighten this up. And finger tight is fine. If you want to get it really tight, I wouldn't recommend getting extremely tight, but you can use your hydrant wrench to tighten this down just a little bit. That's all you need to do. Make it snug. Don't lean on it. Okay, so now, the way that this works, it goes opposite. It's sitting right down over here. You can take a look at the open and close in case you forget. There's an open direction, which is this way. So you put this on. We're just going to do a water check right now to make sure that our hydrant is up and running. So it goes easy, and then it goes hard, and then it goes water. So I'm spinning. Nothing is happening yet. I'm waiting for the water to show. Okay, now I'm at the hard part. Okay, so you lean into this. And you lean in. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I've got water. This hydrant is working. So this is just the first part with the water running. And we only need to turn this a quarter turn after we see water. Just a quarter turn. Which is like this. That was an 1/8 of a turn, and that's totally fine with the water pressure. Again, the water pressure in here was set for fire hoses and putting out house fires, not watering gardens. The RPZ, or the vacuum brake, you definitely need to have the vacuum brake on, or it's called a backflow preventer. This vacuum brake keeps the water from backing up into the city's drinking water supply system. So you need to have this between the hydrant and your garden. So what this does, it's a backflow preventer. It keeps the water from contaminating the city's water system. It's the same connection. Same connection as your garden hose threads. Finger tight works. Again, that's the same connection on the outside here. Tighten this in. So that little vacuum brake, or DEP calls it an RPZ, this will keep you from getting a fine from Department of Environmental Protection. So very, very important. Okay, so we got that in here. Okay. That's the tough spot.
Yeah.
And there we go. We've got our pressure. All right. So that's how to hook up a garden hose to a fire hydrant. Thank you very much.